Marriage is a lifelong commitment. Pero kung hindi na talaga kaya, annulment or nullity of marriage may be the only option. In the Philippines, the most common ground for annulment or nullity of marriage is psychological incapacity. Iyon ay kapag hindi na nagagampanan ng isang asawa ang kanyang essential marital obligations. Itong marital obligations na ito sa pangkalahatan ay love, respect, fidelity, mutual support and care, living together as a family. In the landmark case of Tan Andal versus Andal in 2021, the Supreme Court clarified that psychological incapacity is not strictly a medical condition, but a legal concept. Ang pagsusuri ng psychologist o psychiatrist, while helpful, is not mandatory. If you're considering annulment or nullity of marriage, seek legal guidance to understand your rights and options. Ang legal na laban ay maaaring mahirap, ngunit sa tamang suporta, buhay ay giginhawa.